up my loves and welcome back to my channel. Today we're just going to be doing this look, so let's get started. So I'm going to start off doing my eyebrows and I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso. And now I'm going to go in with this M410 concealer brush just to clean up my eyebrows and then just blend it out with my fingers. And now I'm going to go in with this Urban Decay Eyeshadow Potion Primer and just prime my eyes. So now I also went in with my finger just to blend it all out, and I know I'm sorry guys, but I'm laughing because my boyfriend is so funny. But yeah, I'm gonna go do my other eye, then I'll be right back. With this Morphe brush, I'm just gonna go ahead with the shade Talk Dirty and just pack and blend it together. And now with this orange shade, which is Fired Up, I'm just going to go ahead and just blend that on top of the brown. With my R40 brush, I'm just going to go ahead and just blend the two shades together. And I'm going to go in with this Morphe concealer and also with my M410 concealer brush just to cut my crease. And now with this purple shade, which is the FOTD shade, I'm just going to go ahead and just put that on the outer corner of my eyes and then also on the inner corner of my eyes. Then I also lightly packed on the shade Talk Dirty again, just on that purple shade, just to darken it a little bit more. And you guys already know the deal. I'm going to go in with this NYX glitter primer and just put that on where I'm replacing my glitter. And I'm using the Lexi 246 brush just to blend out that primer. And now with my MB46 brush, I'm going in with the shade Bright Eyes and I'm just putting that onto the center of my eyes. And now with this yellow NYX Vivid liner, I'm just going to go ahead and just add that to the top of my crease. And with this Colourpop eyeliner in the shade Numero Uno, I'm just going to go ahead and just create my wing eyeliner with that. And this is going to be the Lash Book lashes. This is in the style Charm, so I'm just going to go ahead and just pop this bad boy on. And now I'm just going to go in with the shade Light of the Party and just highlight my brow bone. I'm going to go in with this No Poreblem primer and just add a few drops to my face and then just blend it out. So now I'm just going to go and apply it on this Fenty Beauty foundation. Use this damp beauty blender just to blend it all out. And sorry I'm a little chatty, I was talking to my boyfriend. And And I'm going to use this Maybelline concealer in the shade Hazlenut just to contour my face. And with the same beauty blender, just going to go ahead and just dab that all together. And now I'm just going to go in with this Morphe concealer to conceal my face and line up my face a little bit. And again, with the same beauty blender, I'm just going to go in with this Fit Me loose finishing powder just to set my face. And while I'm letting this setting powder set on my face for a bit, I'm just going to go in with the Dose of Color Nude Mood Lipstick and just apply that to my lips. And now with this smaller brush, I'm just going to go and wipe off any of the extra powder on my face. And now for my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with the shade Talk Dirty, and then after that I went with the shade Fired Up to blend everything together. And again with the same NYX glitter primer just for the inner corner of my eye so that I could put the glitter on. And I'm just going to go add on this glitter. I actually got this from a rave website, which I don't remember, but I'm just going to go and pop that on just to be a little extra, and then just add some mascara for my lower lashes. And then just going with this Urban Decay All Nighter spray just to set my face. And with this Anastasia glow kit, I will be using the shade Summer, and I'm just going to go and pop that highlight to my face. Alright my loves, well that completes this look. I hope you guys all enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and you guys will see me on my next video. Bye!